Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to talk to you about how I make screen time more productive for my 3-year-old. For those who are new to my channel, uh, can quickly subscribe to this channel so that they get updates on the newer videos. You can search for Appy Mommy on YouTube like this, and you'll get to see my channel. Just click on the subscribe button and you can go through the multiple videos that I have created on how I taught addition to my 3-year-old, these best workbooks for children between 2 to 5, learning folders, and you can make your screen time more productive while you learn about I have shared some of my ideas that I keep doing with my 3-year-old. For those who are new, again I want to tell them that I am a working mom of a 3-year-old boy. His name is Abir, and this is how I make screen time more productive for my child. So to begin with, I'll quickly show you some of the apps that I've downloaded, which are free on App Store. So you can easily search through them, and we have to accept that in today's time uh, we end up giving them screen time, and it's better that we make it more productive. So the first one I'm going to share is a very interesting one. It's called Worksheets. It looks like this, and what I do here is I take pictures of the various worksheets that I have, or I download worksheets from the net, and I upload these pictures like how you upload pictures on this on an app. So I have uploaded these worksheets on this app, and I'll just click on one of them. So find the odd one out. Here the child will have to see, and it works just like a worksheet. So I kind of found it really interesting, and definitely more productive than playing any sort of rhymes or playing cartoons that kind of make them inactive while they watch the videos, but this will keep their minds active, like how you do your normal usual physical worksheets. So this is one, and I really highly recommend this one. Then there are more. I'll show you some more which I really like. So this is a free app called Khan Academy Kids. Wait, I'll just tilt it. It's better that you use a tab or an iPad instead of a mobile, because then here I'll select Abir. I have put in all these details. So this is a very interesting app which comes with activities, storytelling, and a lot of interactive games which are highly educational. So like this. Weasels are small mammals with long bodies. So kids also get to listen to the commands and act accordingly, and they kind of learn how to play things on a on a computer or an iPad by themselves. So this I like. The other one that I like is YouTube Kids. So instead of having the normal YouTube, you can download this for your kids. This comes completely ad free, and you can set your commands and the kind of videos you want your child to watch, like educational videos or age appropriate videos. So it will give you videos like that, and these are all ad free. And you can do various things on YouTube. You can have read aloud sessions. Even I have done some of the read aloud videos on my channel. I'll link them below in the description box. Then there is this app called ABC Kids. I really find this series very interesting.
Hi, I'm Lucas.
It starts like this.
It's spelled
So these are basically tracing apps
Lucas.
and interactive apps where the child learns to write or trace the letters and so on.
Select letters.
So like this, they learn how to trace and write and other things like this. So this is one.
Select
They also come up with, they also have similar series of I'll show you, wait, of 1 2 3 numbers where they trace and learn about the various numbers and tracing and stuff.
It's spelled Lucas. Lucas.
You just have to search for ABC Kids or ABC. Sorry, I'll tell you the name of this app.
Hi, I'm Lucas. Choose the number you want.
So it goes like this.
Fantastic. Marvelous.
So the child learns to write. So instead of, I know it's better to give them physical things to practice their writing, but if you have to, like if you are really stuck up somewhere and you have to give some sort of engagement to your child, you can always go for these. This is called 1 2 3 numbers. Similarly, there is ABC spelling by the same creator, sight words, colors and shades, puzzle kids, math kids. So this is also very interesting. I'll show you. So my child, he does addition. He has learned how to do addition already. So here on this app, he gets to practice his simple additions and simple mathematics skills. I'll link below the video where I've shown how I've taught addition, simple addition to my child. So that's how it goes. These are simple apps which can be supervised by the parents and can be easily handled by the kids of this age. Then I have got, I'm teaching in Bengali also, so there are Bengali tracing apps as well I have downloaded. Then there are coloring apps where you can get the child to color. Then there are flashcards for toddlers. And there's this app called Sentence Maker. It's also interesting where, I mean, it's better to so it's basically an early reading app where the child gets to identify his first words. So like I said, it's very it's a better alternative from making your child sit in front of the TV or in front of screen, by making him do certain things on their iPad. Be it puzzles. I'm like really fond of puzzles. My child is extremely fond of puzzles. So There are multiple puzzle apps which are available on the net. You can download any of them. I like this one because my son is extremely fond of animals, so he loves them. And like we all know, puzzles help building critical thinking abilities in children, and they think logical, and their problem solving skills are sharpened by doing puzzles. So that's it that I want to show. I'm just showing you the screen so that you have a reference of the kind of apps that I use for my child. You can go to the app store and download these apps. These are absolutely free, and I think they are a great way of learning and making your screen time more and more productive. So thank you so much for watching this, and give a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and share it with the other parents, and please do subscribe to my channel so that you get notified on the upcoming videos that I upload. Thank you so much. Bye bye.